Hi all, this is Bhagya. This is the demo for PeaceTrack Android application for Peace Corps in Google Summer of Code 2015. Once the PeaceTrack application is installed in the device, the volunteer has to log into the application for the first time. For this login process, the device should be connected to a network. Now the device has been disconnected from the network, that is why we could not log in. And once I connect the device into a network, we can log into the application. Let's see, now we have to give our name and a valid email address. If the email address is not valid, then we are not given access. So now we can select a post and sector. These are populated from the mobile app control center, and we can select the relevant post and sector. Now this is the dashboard. After successfully login for the first time, we do not need the device to be connected to any network to get to this dashboard. In my cohorts, we manage the cohorts, and in here we manage the activities, and with this option we manage the measurements. So in my cohorts option, we can add cohorts into the application. The cohort would be something, and you can give the description and the number of members in the cohort, and then number of males and number of females, and then the age range of the cohort would be from to 15, and the position would be something like the position of the community within the sector. You can save the cohort and you can add another cohort as well. Number of members, males, females, and age range. The position. Then we can add this successfully. So we can search for any cohort from here, and it would give us a filtered list. So we can select any cohort and get the details, and quickly add a new activity, quickly add a new measurement relevant for this cohort, and we can edit these cohort details as well. Then we can, if we want, we can delete the relevant cohorts. Once the cohort is being deleted, all the related activities and measurements for that cohort also will be deleted to maintain the foreign key constraints. And then we can add an activity relevant for a particular cohort. Let's say it is for football team, and then we can pick a date and a time. It will give if there are any violations, and the time would be chosen like this. And then we can set the outputs. These outputs are at the moment outputs, and all the outcomes are hard-coded, but once we integrate the activities with the Mac mobile app control center, we can populate them from the Mac. So here also we can search and get a filtered list, and in activities we can get the activity details. Edit option and delete option is also there to manage all the activities. And then when adding a measurement, we can add the measurements easily using this, adding a description, and this measurement is for school children, and the outcome, relevant outcome for this measurement would be this. And then we can pick a date for the measurement, and outcome data can be given likewise. And here also we can search to get a filtered list of the measurements available. And then in the dashboard, the next functionality would be to add my impacts, in which we use these measurements outcome data to represent graphically the progress of each cohort. So these are the remaining main functionalities in the current version of PeaceTrack application. Thank you.